Here we have the Luici inflatable solar light. Here we go. There's the back. You can see the solar panel. We'll get rid of that. Give me 1 second. It's an inflatable light with solar. Let's go ahead and blow it up. Cap on. Well, I ain't worried about that. It's powered on top. Oh, cool. And it's lit up, and it's got a thing to hang it. And I plan on hanging it from my hammock. You can hang it from the ridge line. And it's just a handy little thing. And it's mimicking a candle. Very cool. And now it just stays on. This has got a few different settings. Now this one just is like the regular light. Brighter. Wow, that's cool. And off. So you got the candle effect. Steady light. A little brighter light. And off. Very cool. Here we have a larger size Luici light, inflatable solar light. Go back a little bit. Pretty much the same as the bigger or the smaller version. We got the big. I'll pull it open. And then you've got your solar panel and your button, and it's got a, oh, this one has a charge button. The smaller one does not. It just has one button. And you got the on button. Select. Okay, so that's the trick. When you go to let it out, to open it up, pull this in so it lets air in, and you pull it, and then just put some air in it. Put the little tab back in. And there's your light, and let's turn it on. Oh wow. And let's hit it again. Let's see what, I have no idea what this thing does. So let's hit it. Oh, and it's got a brighter setting. And it goes a third brighter setting, and it flashes, so hopefully no one has seizures around you, and off. So we've got low, medium, high, party time. So let's compare the two. That's the big one and the little one. Now if I'm hiking, I'd probably take this one, but this one is awesome. This is going to show up a lot of light. And it has the same thing to hang it from. And that's your Luici lights.